Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to open Discord on your Windows computer. So the first step is to run Discord as an administrator. So type in Discord in Windows search box and then make a right click on Discord app and then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you click on run as administrator and then check. Still not working. The next step is to delete this cache folder. Now for this you can go to this location. So open File Explorer and then go to this PC, open C drive. Now open users folder. Now open your username folder. Now open app data. If you don't see app data at the top, click on view, select show, and then put a check on hidden items and then open app data folder. Now open the roaming folder and then find Discord in the list. So here you can see Discord. Now you can open this folder and over here you can see cache, code cache, and GPU cache. So you can delete these three folders. If you want to create a backup, you can copy this and paste it to the desktop. Once you have a backup, you can delete it. Now once this is deleted, now you can open Discord and then check. Still not working. The next step is to switch to different network. Sometimes due to internet issue you face this problem. So if you have any other network available where you can connect to different network and then you can check, or you can even use phone hotspot. Now for that you can turn on your mobile data, your cell phone data, and hotspot on your phone and then connect to the phone's internet. So you can go and then you can connect to your phone Wi-Fi. So phone hotspot, you can connect to the phone network and then check. This has worked for many players, so users, so it might work for you. Next step is to uninstall and reinstall Discord. So if nothing is working, you can just simply uninstall it, make a right click, then click on uninstall, and then you can search Discord over here. So you can click on this and then click on uninstall, and let the uninstall complete. Once the uninstall is complete, you can go to this location. So you have to delete this Discord. Make a right click and then you can click delete. Also you can go to this PC once again and then open C drive. Now open users folder, username, app data, and then open the local and find Discord in the list. Search for Discord. So once you find Discord, you can just make a right click, click on delete. Once this is deleted, now if you have the game from if you have the Discord from Microsoft Store, then in that case you can go to Discord website. So you can just go to Google and then you can search for Discord and then you can install it, download, and you can download it from website. You can run this exe file and then you can install it. Now if you already have a Discord from website and then you are facing the problem, in that case you can open Microsoft Store and you can search for Discord on Microsoft Store and then you can click on install and install it from here. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to launch Discord successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.